This is Sydney from hithanhdotcom, and in this video we are going to edit our link in bio page. So once you import the link that I share, I put the link in the description below, you can see this funnel. So basically just click on that one. And here I put only one page and you click on edit page. Now you will see everything, and I highly recommend that you go for the mobile button here so that we can edit it on our mobile. Now first of all, here is the picture of our profile page. You can change it to yourself. Just click on this one and click on this uploading icon here, and you will choose the picture for yourself. If you want to change the size of the picture, click on that one again and you will see here image size. If you click on it first and it doesn't show, you click on it second time, okay? And then you can change the size over here. It's that simple. You can make it really small and medium or really big like this. It's alright, just depends on the own taste. And then for the name, of course, you need to change to your name. Or what you do, you can put it here. And then you can change the links for these pictures. You can choose Facebook, and then you can put your Facebook profile over here, Instagram, and Twitter. Next one, I put here 3 products that you can change to your own products. First, we have the picture of the products, the name, the description for the products, and then you can click on this button here and you can put the URL of the products that you are promoting over here. The same thing goes for the other 2, this one and this one. Then this one you can change to anything or you can delete it. Then I put it about me. About me is here I introduce myself. You can change it to your name and some other wordings that you want to put in here, whatever you want. I also put a picture here, and of course you can change it as well. And then I put another 2 buttons. If you want to put more, you can click on this one and you see the duplicate button here. Just click on that and a new one will appear. And then you can change, click on that one. You will see it has the link over here, and if you want to change the words on the buttons, you also can do it too here. Okay, so this is a really easy platform to use, so you can try it for yourself. It's really nice. Another thing that I want to share is if you just hover over here and you will see the green color, and you click on this one, the gear icon, and you will see the background color. Now let's look at this. If I change the background color, you see that? How about green? How about red? Whatever you like, right? You will see the colors of the background change, and the inside box here also changes its color. See? So you can change it to anything that you like. So to get this link in bio, first of all, you need to get your systeme.io account. It's free to join, so just click the link in the description below to get yourself one free account. And then you can click to import my link in bio over here, and then you can change it to anything that you like. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and give me a subscribe so that I have more motivation to do more videos in the future. Thank you so much, and this is Sydney from hithanhdotcom. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.